welcome to our channel. Today we have something special for you, a step-by-step guide on how to safely open up and upgrade the RAM in your MSI GF63 i7 11th generation laptop. It's time to unlock the full potential of your machine. Let's begin. And before we dive into this, let's check first of all the RAM in our screen. So I'm just opening my laptop and logging it. First of all, in Windows 11, I'll go in search box and type system information so we can see how much RAM is available at the moment in this laptop. So you can see on the screen there is a 8 GB installed. So now I will shut down the laptop and start. Now safely flip the laptop and open up all the screws one by one. I'll make it quickly for you. This is the brand seal that I carefully removed it. And after open up the laptop and upgrade the RAM, I'll put it back here. A small knife. I'm using a small knife so I can open it safely. You need to be very careful here because this is the plastic body and we need to keep things very safe and clean. You can see I'm just unpacking it clip by clip here. Okay, so finally we have opened up it safely and now you can see the all the component. So this is the fan, this is the RAM slot. I have already 8 GB installed. This is the SSD slot of hard disk. This is the battery of our laptop. You can see this is the mic in and out system, and all the USB 3 is in there. Now I will use this blank RAM slot to upgrade our laptop. Okay, you can see that I have a RAM of 8 GB and I'll plug it into this slot. Remember, you need to choose the right block like this and just insert it and normally push it and it will settle down. Okay, now I'll wrap the laptop and you can see the mic hole and you can use it as a starting point to plug back the laptop cabinet. Now I'll just making it very carefully. You need to put back all the component of this plastic body and putting it back safely. Now I have put my seal wrap on the same place that it was exist there. So finally, I'm ready to open up this laptop and see if it is upgraded or not. So I'm logged in. Let me type my password. Okay. Again, go to the system information. And scroll down, and here you can see it is upgraded now, and there is installed physical memory 16 GB. We can check it in another place is the task manager. Who has successfully upgraded our laptop. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you.